Hello and welcome to day 5 of our look at websites that convert prospects into paying patients, into butts in the chair. Today I want to talk about well-written content. Stay tuned. Colin here, and I want you to think about your website, if you have one. Did you write the content on your website? Usually I see two extremes. On one end, many dentists had zero input on their website content. They hired a company, they put up a cookie-cutter website that was neither good nor original. So it does them no good to draw patients through SEO or through other marketing processes. And frankly, it does them no good when somebody actually gets to the site because it's all generic. In fact, I've seen dentists whose websites included content on procedures they didn't even do. That's the ultimate hands-off approach. The other end of the spectrum that I commonly see is dentists who write their own copy. Sometimes these dentists hire a writer and then they approve or revise the copy themselves. The content is usually very accurate and thorough, and it reads exactly like a dentist wrote it, like it was written for other dentists. The copy's too light on SEO and too heavy on the details. This is almost always the wee-wee copy, emphasizing too heavily on the dentist and not enough on the patient's needs. If you want excellent copy that will convert prospects into dental patients, here's 5 tips on what to look for. First, write for people. Of course, you've got to include search terms and keyword strings, but it's got to sound natural, not shoehorned into the copy. Second, answer their questions. Rather than write in a way that says, here's what we do, write in a way that says, here's how we solve these problems for you. Most sites say we offer dental implants, and then they regurgitate a bunch of facts about implants. Instead, try this approach. If you have a hard time chewing because of your dentures, dental implants may be a good solution for you. And then, of course, follow with a benefit statement of how implants could help that person chew and eat the foods they love again. Third, make sure your content's your own. Don't use content offered through CE or part of a group that you belong to. The content on your site has to be yours and yours alone, completely unique. This benefits your readers who may have looked at multiple sites online only to see that you're using duplicate content. It also keeps you free of any penalties through Google for having duplicate content, and it gives you an SEO boost because Google loves unique, fresh content. Fourth, make sure to keep your content up to date. If you had a page about fast braces because one of your associates is certified, remove that page when the associate leaves. Conversely, if you get certified to offer sleep apnea solutions or IV sedation, make sure to add content to keep your site up to date. Search engines love to see when your site's dynamic and updated. Finally, the fifth, be wary when hiring freelance editors. I've talked about this in a previous podcast, but make sure they know the subject matter and never ever pay up front. Tomorrow, I'll give you some more tips on writing, but until then, keep moving forward.